Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix DXGI error device removed in Windows 11. First method is change registry settings. Create new DWORD 32-bit value, named as TDR level, change value data to 0. Second method is update display adapter driver. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.